Hey guys, how you doing today? I'm Andrew with JC Termite Control, and I'm here to answer another frequently asked question. The question I'll be answering today is, do we check for wood rot when inspecting a property, when completing a termite inspection? Short answer is yes, we do check for wood rot. In reality, what we're completing is a wood destroying organism report. We check for anything that's attacking the framing or the structure, and that's going to include wood rot, wood-boring beetles, carpenter bees, termites, subterranean termites, pretty much anything that might be attacking your structure. So as part of that, we are looking for wood rot just to make sure that there are no issues or problems at your structure. Hope that answers that question. If you have any additional questions or concerns, you can leave them in the comment box below. And if you have any problems with wood rot and would like to get them resolved, you can contact us at 619-421-2101 or visit us online at gctermitecontrol.com. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.